This is a quick tutorial on how to use an app that we've installed on Gmail that will let you see the members of our Google Groups. The first step is to go to Gmail and click this 9 block button. Next you'll go to More and then Groups directory at the very bottom. That brings you to a very simple page, Groups directory. First thing you can do is click Display All Groups. This is all of our groups on the AskGoEQ.com domain, every group that ends with AskGoEQ.com. You can click any one of those groups and get a list of the people that are in it, that are going to get the email if you add that group to an email. Back. Some of these groups are a group of groups, like Lubbock Branch 1. If I click on that, I see there are some people added straight to it, but there are also some groups that are in this group. And it's as simple as it includes Lubbock Accounting. That makes sense. You can click on that and see who is in that group. Easy enough. Back, and you can click on the next one, see who's in that. Back. That's kind of odd. If you are the owner or manager of a group, like I currently own ASCO.service.managers, it will let you edit settings and add remove members. I don't recommend changing these settings. I've changed all the settings for all the groups to let everybody see the members of the groups so that we can use this tool. If you change them, that might not work for that group, and that defeats the purpose of this tool. But when you hit add remove members, which you can only do if you're the owner or manager of the group, you can enter a new email address and hit add, or you can click these X's to delete certain people. Then click done. And that's all it takes. When you're done in there, you can close the tab and it returns you to your email. That's all I've got for this tutorial. I hope it helps. Have a good day.